Looking for the best PC game download sites in 2025? Whether you're searching for a secure place to buy AAA games, get free PC game downloads, or find budget-friendly gaming deals, there are plenty of options available. GadInsider has got you top platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, Origin, G2A, and more, outlining their features, pros, and cons so you can download games safely and hassle-free. Steam is the biggest and most used PC game distribution platform. It provides multiplayer, cloud saving, and an active community with thousands of games in all genres. Its pros are extensive game library, regular price drops and holiday sales, workshop support for mods, and safe and trustworthy downloads. The cons are that internet connection is required for some games to use DRM, and large game sizes are slow without a high-speed internet connection. Origin is EA's official PC gaming platform, featuring both classic and new Electronic Arts titles like FIFA, Battlefield, and The Sims. Its pros include exclusive EA titles like FIFA and Apex Legends, EA Play subscription for free and discounted titles, and cloud save support, while the cons are that it's smaller game library than Steam, and some games need an always online connection. Another one is the Epic Games Store, which is popular for its exclusive offers and free weekly games, including AAA titles such as Fortnite, GTA 5, and others. Its pros include weekly free games, exclusive offers and discounts, and developer-friendly revenue share, resulting in more game exclusives. Its cons include fewer community features than Steam and fewer indie games. Humble Bundle makes it possible for gamers to purchase bundles of games at a discount, usually donating to charity with each purchase. It's cost-effective bundles with massive discounts. It enables charity donations and has Steam key activation for most purchases. Its cons include restricted choice of independent games, and external platforms such as Steam may be needed to activate some games. The Microsoft Store is best for downloading Xbox and PC games, including Game Pass games. The pros are integration with Xbox Game Pass. It's got Play Anywhere functionality for cross-platform gaming and secure and trusted downloads. The cons are that it's got fewer options than Steam or Epic, and users report download problems with the Microsoft Store. G2A is a marketplace for game keys where users can purchase and sell game activation keys at discounted levels. The pros include cheap game keys, discounts on AAA games, and supporting multiple platforms, Steam, Origin, etc. And the cons include chances of buying stolen or worthless keys and no refunds for bad buys. Softpedia provides a combination of free and shareware games, including classic PC titles of the past. Its pros are that it's free and legal to downloads of games, safe and malware-free software to download, an infinite number of indie and retro games to choose from. The cons include no AAA titles and additional setup or compatibility issues for some games. Ocean of Games offers free downloads of PC games, both new and old. It offers free downloads of numerous popular titles, easily navigatable website, and a large database of older games. However, it's got some illegal downloads in some cases, malware or corrupt file potential, and no support for downloaded games by the official source. All Games A to Z is a website that provides free PC game downloads, including classics and indie games. It's got free PC games, both new and old games, and no registration of accounts is needed. However, it does have fewer games to choose from, and it's got no assurance of safe or functional downloads. Battle.net is Blizzard Entertainment's official site, providing games such as World of Warcraft, Overwatch, and Call of Duty. It's got official Blizzard games, secure downloads, and good multiplayer gaming environment, but it's restricted to Blizzard and Activision titles with no support for third-party game developers. The best PC game download site depends on your needs. For AAA games and best discounts, you can go to Steam, Epic Games Store, and Humble Bundle. For free games, you can use the Epic Games Store. For free weekly games, Ocean of Games, and All Games A to Z. For EA games, you can use Origin. For Blizzard and Activision games, you can use Battle.net. For Xbox and Microsoft exclusives, you can use the Microsoft Store. And for budget-friendly game keys, you can use G2A.